NextProTips presents how to disable pop-up notifications in Google Chrome. Let's start. First of all, open Chrome browser and at the top right, click More. Then click on Settings. At the bottom, click Advanced. Then you have to go Content Setting. Under Privacy and Security, you will find this option. Click on Content Settings. Then click on Notifications. Here you can see a lot of URL which is allowed to show notification. You can simply remove these URL or you can block these URL. There are some URL in my Chrome which can't remove or block because these URL allowed by the extension I use. If I remove the extension from my Chrome, then these URL will also remove automatically. Now we have to go to another option to block pop-ups and redirects. So, go back and click on pop-ups and redirects. Here you can directly block all the URL. Just simply click on blocked on the top position, or you can remove URL which are already allowed. See, now there are no pop-up notification on my browser.
If you enjoy this video, then please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get our new videos immediately after publishing. Thank you.